Hello everybody, it's Kuya Lesma inviting you all on November 23, 6 p.m. Manila Hotel at the 10th City. It's going to be a dinner show and it's going to be inspirational, fun, and sa napakagandang benefit po pupunta ang lahat ng ticket sales. So may you all come and be blessed.
Ang title po ng dinner concert ay The Greatest Love of All, and it's a fundraising concert to help raise awareness about the importance of nutrition during the first 1,000 days of life. That means from conception to the second birthday of a child. And we have Kuya Ledesma, our international pop diva, and a musical icon. So many hits, some of them I know. Till I Met You, for example. Dito Ba?
Ako Ay Pilipino.
Ako Ay Pilipino. At napakarami pang awit. Yung iba ay inaawit ko rin. At sasamahan po si Ku ng inyong lingkod at saka ni Mike Toledo at ng Secretary ng DOST, Secretary Rene Solidum, at mga iba't iba pang singers kabilang sa Rotary International.
And also I will be with my daughter to do a duet. She's a fabulous singer. I hope that you will discover her in this show. Isabella.
Excited na ako na is this the first time we're going to sing together?
Yes po. Yes po. Kaya mag-practice na po kayo.
Akala ko nasa pangarap ko na
meron na.
Oo, na nag-aawi.
This is the first time.
But it will be a great show. This is directed by George Season Tagle.
Oh, okay.
And there will be a full band that will accompany us. It will be a two-hour show with dinner, kaya dinner concert.
Napakaganda po na ginagamit ni Senator Joey Lina ang kanyang gift from God. Hindi lamang that he's managing, all these things sa Manila Hotel, pero kahit yung gift niya of singing, ginagamit niya so that he can do something good for those who are in need.
Instead of talking, I prefer to be singing.
Okay.
Because you can only sing well if you sing from the heart.
True.
And from the fullness of the heart, the mouth speaks.
Amen.
So, okay, tapusin na natin. That is just to get the sound bites that we will use